Guidelines for creating the story map. Log in on your ArcGIS online account. If you have not, you can create an Esri free public account. The University City of Madrid please follow these guidelines to help you to create your own story map and supporting materials for your own university environment. ArcGIS Story Maps offers several ways to begin your project by starting from scratch. Using a sidecar layout that divides the screen between images and text, creating a guided tour on the map, or developing an Explorer map route. In this example, we will start from scratch. Title and cover image title. Choose a concise and meaningful title that reflects your university campus environment, emphasizing aspects related to sustainability, global change, and/or citizen participation. Cover image. You have the option to add a photo, create a video, reuse an existing one, while keeping it brief due to file size limitations, or download a free image from the internet. Upload it to the story map and add its attribution or authorship. Add Figure 1. Cover image. Author. Merkin 6. By default, the owner's account name and the default date will be displayed. If you are using an organization account, you can modify or remove both. Title. The University City of Madrid. Subtitle. Optional. A living laboratory for understanding global change. And introduction. It should emphasize the significance of the university environment and its context. Heading 1 will appear in the index at the top of the story. It is necessary to activate navigation at the bottom in the design settings. Paragraph. Organize a narrative text that centers on the most relevant information about study. Integrate various data sources and resources. Paragraph. Universities around the world are increasingly using their campuses as living laboratories to address sustainability problems and engage with the community. Rivera and Savage, 2020. A Living Labs approach offers opportunities to enhance the environmental sustainability of universities by leveraging the expertise of both staff and students, and applying this knowledge to real-world contexts. Leal-Filo et al., 2019. Living Labs transform campuses into active environments for teaching and learning. Evans et al., 2015. In this example we will explore the first university campus of Madrid, a collective effort initially promoted by King Alfonso XIII. Search for a video about your university campus and add it. You can use various methods for this purpose. Don't forget to provide proper attribution. For instance, you can use this guided tour of the University City of Madrid from YouTube. Guided tour, and add. Heading. What do the experts say? Paragraph. More than 100 species of butterflies and 180 species of birds have been identified. However, it is important to note that climate change and invasive species may have impacted on these numbers. Rescher, Parazzo, Y. Magro Ruiz, 2022. Heading. What do members of the public observe? Add a map. If there are limitations in the public account, you can use this image, Figure 3. and provide a link to the interactive map online. If required, add another map to your project. You can look for a map in your user account or embed an online map through a link. It's also possible to create a map using the results from a Survey 1, 2, 3 questionnaire, although it is important to note that these questionnaires cannot be created in the public or free version. You can also explore other map options such as the Instant Map, Express Map, or a tour after gathering material. It's essential to consider the type of maps you want to use and determine the most suitable map scale based on the topic you want to explain. Add any other resources. Select the appropriate images and text. Heading. Reflect paragraph. Given the sustainability needs and issues identified. What actions and resources would be necessary to minimize them? Note. You can personalize the question according your university background. Heading. References paragraph. Add all references you have used on the story. We can add a button and link it to the project's website https://v-global.eu/ include the logo of the V-Global project. The Erasmus Plus program and the logos of your university or your project partners as images. See Figure 4, V-Global Project, European Commission and partners' logos. Add the way to cite this story map. Fill with your data. Last names, initials of the name. Year. Title. URL. Way to share this story. For example, this work is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial 4.0 International License. Here it is, the story maps created. Link. You can include information either above or below the map. You can also rearrange the order of the written text multimedia elements as needed.